eating all the crab apples. Man. They're going from tree to tree. I have about 4 crab apples. And then they'll be eating this one next. That one. That is overflowing crab apples. Wow, it's cold. I am so bundled up. This is nice. I like seeing these birds. We don't get too many in summer. A few come by. These must be migrating birds. Wow. And they fly back and forth from tree to tree. They pick a berry and then they go to their private spot to chew on them so they don't get disturbed. That's so cute. I'm happy that my trees are feeding the birds. I love it. I love nature and I love birds. Let's see what's going on the other side here. Any birds? Oh, look at that. They didn't even touch this tree. They touched the very first one. Past this one, that skinny one. Now it's full of berries. This one they didn't touch. Maybe. Oh, wait a minute. There's an Oriole. He's looking at me. He's probably wondering, don't you dare go near my tree. That's mine. I won't. It's all yours. Okay, it's much too cold to be out here. Yeah, the weather kind of sucks. Very cold. And completely white out. I don't even think we have sun. I don't think it's daylight, but I don't even think the sun is out. At least not the real sun. I know the real sun is no longer up there because I've seen it in my visions. Call me crazy, me no care. But yep, we're never going to see the sun again. Never again. I'm just taking a good look here. Alright, they're all gone. And I'm going in. Adios.